Before jumping into Jumpseller, it's important to understand the key features, benefits, and possible drawbacks of this platform. If you're considering using Jumpseller for your dropshipping business, there are 12 things you should know before making your decision. This will help you compare it with other popular platforms in the market, like Shopify, WooCommerce, and BigCommerce, to see if it's the right fit for you. The first thing you need to know is that Jumpseller offers a straightforward interface designed for beginners. Unlike Shopify, which can be overwhelming with all its features, Jumpseller keeps things simple and easy to navigate. It's perfect if you're just getting started in dropshipping. Next thing, Jumpseller is relatively affordable compared to its competitors. While platforms like Shopify charge higher monthly fees, Jumpseller gives you more budget-friendly plans, making it a good option for those just starting out with limited funds. The third thing is its focus on local markets. Jumpseller supports a wide range of currencies and languages, making it great for targeting specific regions. This is something Shopify lacks unless you pay extra for advanced international features. Next, let's talk about its product catalog. Jumpseller integrates with suppliers like AliExpress and Oberlo, which is key for dropshipping. However, compared to Shopify, Jumpseller's supplier network is smaller, which means you might have fewer options for products. Keep that in mind if you're looking for a wider variety. The fifth thing to know is Jumpseller's payment gateways. It supports over 25 payment methods, including PayPal and Stripe, which is standard. But it's not as flexible as some competitors like WooCommerce, which can integrate with nearly every payment system out there. The sixth thing is that Jumpseller offers built-in SEO tools, which is a huge benefit for ranking your store higher on Google. Unlike Shopify, which requires additional apps for SEO optimization, Jumpseller gives you everything you need to get started right out of the box. The seventh thing is customer support. Jumpseller offers 24/7 customer support via email, live chat, and phone, which is a big plus. However, compared to Shopify's more extensive help resources, Jumpseller's support might feel a bit less comprehensive. The eighth thing to know is about its shipping options. Jumpseller integrates with various shipping carriers, including UPS, DHL, and USPS. This helps streamline fulfillment, but it's not as robust as Shopify's built-in shipping features, especially if you're scaling quickly. The ninth thing is the themes and customization. Jumpseller has a selection of themes, but they're not as diverse or customizable as Shopify's, which is known for its vast theme marketplace. If design is a big part of your business, this could be a limiting factor. Next thing, Jumpseller includes automatic updates, so you don't have to worry about keeping your platform up to date. This is something other platforms like WooCommerce don't do unless you manage it yourself, which can be a hassle for new users. The 11th thing to consider is its apps and integrations. Jumpseller does offer some third-party app integrations, but it's not as extensive as Shopify's App Store. If you need specific tools or features for your store, you may find that Jumpseller has fewer options. Finally, let's talk about pricing. Jumpseller's pricing is transparent with no hidden fees. While Shopify may charge extra for add-ons and apps, Jumpseller's pricing remains competitive, which is great if you're on a tight budget. Overall, Jumpseller is a solid option for dropshipping, especially if you're looking for a simple, affordable platform. It may not offer as many features as Shopify or WooCommerce, but it's still a great choice for beginners or those who want a streamlined experience. That said, if you're looking for something with more flexibility and advanced features, we recommend checking out our solution, which you can try for free.